Another big story we're following tonight. California State Farm policyholders will soon see a double-digit rate hike. The insurance commissioner in California officially signed off on the proposed rate hike that would give State Farm $400 million to handle an influx in claims following the Southern California wildfires. And our Stephanie Rothman has more.
After a 3-day hearing in April, the state's largest insurance company has given the green light for an emergency interim rate hike. For policyholders, this means a 17% increase for home insurance and a 15% hike for condo owners and renters. Rex Frazier is president of the Personal Insurance Federation of California, a trade association representing California's largest property insurers.
So people are feeling sticker shock and they're looking at this saying, well, I don't want another big increase. And worse than that, they don't have another place they can go other than the FAIR plan. But the alternative is the potential to be unable to continue doing business, and that would be much worse.
It's a bump Frazier says is necessary and still cheap compared to other states.
We've had an extended period of time, particularly from 2010 to 2020, where the state really didn't allow much, if any, rate increases, and now we're paying the price for that bad decision.
But Carmen Balber with Consumer Watchdog says this decision will hurt policyholders, saying State Farm didn't do enough to explain why the rate hike was needed.
That's what today's decision was. An end run around the rules that said, we don't want to prove it up now, just give us the money, and hopefully we'll be able to justify it down the road.
This comes in the wake of the enormous cleanup from the wildfires in Southern California earlier this year. They say the interim rate hike will, quote, help avert a dire situation for our customers and the insurance market in the state of California. But many homeowners have complained of delays and problems with the insurance giant.
People are getting their claims from the LA fires lowballed, delayed, and in some cases unjustly denied. And at the same time, the insurance company is seeking to raise rates on consumers across the state.
A judge says this decision is subject to further review, but is vital now to balance consumer protections. A full rate hearing is scheduled in the fall. Reporting in San Francisco, Stephanie Rothman, KRON 4 News.